Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use EBT card at Costco. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Using an EBT card at Costco is easy and convenient, but it's important to note that it can only be used to purchase eligible food items under the SNAP, that is Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program guidelines. Now, in order to use EBT card at Costco, what you need to do is check eligibility. Make sure you are shopping for SNAP eligible items such as fruit and vegetables, meat, poultry and fish, dairy products, bread and cereals, snacks and non-alcoholic beverages. Non-eligible items include alcohol, vitamins, hot foods, or household supplies. Number 2 is shop at Costco. Select your items. As usual, Costco accepts EBT at all warehouses located in the US. Ensure you are shopping in store, as EBT is not accepted for online purchases or delivery. At checkout, let the cashier know you'll be paying with your EBT card. Separate SNAP eligible items from non-eligible items to make sure the process smoother. Swipe the EBT card. Insert or swipe your card at the payment terminal. Enter your 4-digit PIN to confirm the transaction, and then pay any remaining balance. If you have non-SNAP items or your EBT balance is insufficient, use another payment method like your credit card, debit card, or cash for the rest. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.